everyone, I'm Yola Monica. I will explain the material about elements of curriculum. The first is the aims. The aims or objectives are the something that will be achieved at the end of the learning process and become to the guide for students and teacher. The characteristics of objectives are describing learning outcomes, should according to learning objective, written clearly, and then these particular learning objectives reflect two learning outcomes that can be achieved in one meeting. Dalam tujuan itu kita akan mengetahui ada dua jenis, yaitu tujuan umum dan tujuan khusus. Tujuan umum itu kajiannya lebih luas dan tujuan khusus lebih rinci alias lebih jelas. Contohnya tujuan khusus mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris itu misalnya siswa dapat mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial dari teks deskriptif lisan terkait tempat wisata. Jadi tujuan khusus ini hasilnya lebih bisa diukur dan bisa mendeskripsikan hasil dari learning objectives tersebut. The second is student motivation and attitude. The student motivation attitude is crucial to success in learning process. Jika siswa memiliki motivasi belajar yang tinggi, maka proses pembelajaran pun akan menjadi menyenangkan. Zohrabi explained that if teacher want to make students motivation, so teacher should make harmonious atmosphere in the classroom and make cooperative learning. The third is duration. A very common obstacle in implementing curriculums is limited time and how to manage the time to achieve learning objective. Jadi misalkan tujuan khusus hari ini adalah read English text aloud. So the teacher, untuk menghemat waktu, guru bisa mengirimkan cara bagaimana membaca teks dengan nyaring, lalu dikirimkan via WhatsApp. So the teacher can send their practice via voice note on WhatsApp. Jadi waktunya lebih singkat, sedangkan tujuan khususnya tetap tercapai. Nah, itulah duration. Elemen yang keempat yaitu needs analysis. Needs analysis is carried out before, during, and after learning program. The objectives of needs analysis are ensuring the learning students need, determining students' need in intended need, ensuring the equipment and facilities needed, and then ensuring the level of language students have before.
Okay, I'm Danifa Marella. I will continue about material of Yola Monica. The material is elements of curriculum. Number 5, teacher and students. The development team must know the student language level, experience, educational background, and learning motivation. And number 6, exercise. How to prepare learning exercise that can involve and student according to goals, language skills, and needs of students. And number 7, learning resources. Learning resources must match with learning objectives and some criteria. Learning resources are all resources in the form of data, people, and certain forms that can be used by students in learning, either separately or in combination so as to make it easier for students to achieve learning goals or achieve certain competencies. And the last, 8. The way to learn. Developing student learning skill is much more important than teaching students language skills. Learning can be a great joy, yet that is not what most people experience in our educational system. The skills of learning are something that we very much need in our rapidly changing world. Both individually and as a culture, yet most of us are impoverished compared the potential easily within the grasp of our society. I think enough. Thank you.
Okay, 9 is student skill. Teachers should integrate for learning skill, namely listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And number 10 is vocabulary. Curriculum developer must recognize the principle for developing student vocabulary mastery. Students should be given responsibility for expanding vocabulary. And 11 is grammar. Teacher in teaching grammar in the classroom, namely grammar is taught according to the goals, need, and ability level of student. And the last is assessment. Know the success of student in achieving learning goals, but also to measure the success of teacher, and then the highest in the curriculum. Okay, next.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Anita Nuraini. My session is conclusions. The main element of curriculum is analyze the needs of students, namely the collection of data related the student needs in order to learn the intended language. Then it is concluded that the learning objectives to be achieved are called aims or goals. From these goals, subject matters and learning activities are compiled. Teaching materials will contain topics, dance, and teaching methods in accordance with the learning objectives. The learning activities are arranged in the form of appropriate strategies, tests, and activities. At the end of the activity, an assessment will be carried out to see whether the goals and needs of students are achieved. Okay, I think enough for me. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.